by making this world a little colder. Hey Jude, don't let me down. You have found a heart, I'll go and get her. Remember to let her into your heart, and then you can start to make it better. So let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, begin. You're waiting for someone to perform well. We don't know that it's just you. Hey Jude, you do. The movement you need is on your shoulder. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Just take time, so you'll make it better. Remember to let her into your skin, then you begin to make it better. Na 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 na. Hey Jude. Na 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 na. Hey Jude. Na 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 na. Hey Jude. Na 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 na. Hey Jude. Na na na.
Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? Nag-enjoy naman po kayo sa kanta namin? Ay.
Eh mamaya, ano tayo, mga millennials.
Oo.
Mar, sandali lang.
Strong in my faith, this thing singing my life is mine, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly.
Tawin na kayo? Uy.
Hey, Sonia. Di ba araw-araw na nakangiti? Ilang beses na rin tayong umihiling. Hindi naman bilang na ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalaman? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo iyo ako. Palagi
Umawi na siya. Sa mga puso ah.
babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pinagkakito, diamante ba'y mabuti? Ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangin kong talangin sa huli. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo iyo ako. Palagi.
Alright, thank you so much. Alright, we'll give yourself something from Celeste Legaspi. Ice cream time!
Ayan, yung song na yan para sa ating mga nanay yan.
Oo.
Sa mga 90s, 80s yung ganun. Siyempre, meron din tayo sa mga, sa mga tatay natin dyan.
Ay,
Ay, mamaya po sa mga gustong kumanta, huwag po kayo mahiyak.
Yes, bali po silang kumanta dito.
Kaya meron tayong mga bago, o mga reggae, o mga rock po. Eh, depende po sa mga gusto nyo po.
Yes. Meron tayo niyan.
Ayan, siyempre.
Kompleto po yan. Yung mga pambato natin dyan, be ready na po. Ayan.
Ay, ito na para sa ating mga daddy. Ayan.
Ayan, mga daddy. Baka may galante rin po dyan, no? Huwag po kayo mahiya magbigay.
Blue Spanish eyes, teardrops are falling from your Spanish eyes. Please don't cry. This is just adios and a goodbye. Soon I'll return, bringing you all the love your heart can hold. Spanish eyes will wait for me. I can remember when we were together, sharing a love I thought would last forever. I'd like to show the way so we can follow. Waiting inside our eyes, it's mine tomorrow. Then something changed her mind, her kisses told me I have the loving arms to hold me every day I wake up. Never start to break up. Lonely is the man without love. And I cry my heart out. Lonely is the man without love. Every day I wake up. Never start to break up. Knowing that's love dear about. Everything's not out. Then I cry my heart out. Lonely is the man without love.
Ayan, nananawagan po yung CBL, Toyota Cross. Toyota Cross po, CBL.
Ayan, kanina po yun.
Ayan. Kanina po yun. Okay. Ano lang daw po. Okay na? Okay na? Hindi na po kami pumunta ulit.
Ayan mga mami and mga sir. Sa mga gusto mag-request po, alam po namin yan. Ayan, kakantayin namin. Hindi ka nagdadalawang isip kakantayin yan.
Yes, of course. Ayan, pwede po sila mag-request. Basta kaya namin, ha?
Huwag lang yung mga metal ah.
Oo. Wag lang yung makabasa ganun.
Walks in fire.
You are the one who makes me happy, but everything is
Sino yung jammer dito, yung sinasabi niya ng Danny? Danny ba yun? Ay, ikaw si Danny? Ayun dito. Danny Liang.
Sino? Sino yung pangbato natin? Pwede po kumanta dito. Sa mga kuya, baka po may mga gustong kumanta. Huwag po kayo mahiya, tayo-tayo lang naman eh. Wala po
Wala.
pangbato sa mga
Sa tuloy-tuloy tayo.
Wala. Bakit tayo niyo pong kumanta? Huwag po kayo mahiya, tayo-tayo lang naman. Alright, we'll give you our last two songs for this step.
Her close to me, 'cause she knows it breaks so easily. And then I don't, but I knew no matter how to try to console her, to just do the best she could. But there are times the best know damn good, and no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. I lied and told her she'd be fine. Though we broke the word, it was just a lie. I had to do it, 'cause never said anything to help me get through it. That you're reaching for my hand, and a simple touch was more than I could stand. And I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all I heard was she was burning, I was burning too. This burning falls apart. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She couldn't get angry, it made me feel like a guilty child. But I realized that everyone's first time. I wanted her to hurt me, and I treat me like a friend. I wanted her to say to me someday, and to call it on my knees to answer back again. But she acted like a lady till the end. Oh, what a lady. I thought that she'd break down, but she smiled at me, never made a sound. And I guess she'd understood in her way, 'cause the silence told me everything she could not say. This many falls apart, we're just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Wow. Thank you so much. That will be our last one.
Ay, maglalasang muna po kami ngayon ng second set. Sa mga gustong kumanta mamaya, inom pa para makakanta kayo ng maayos. Siyempre ang mga bright na tawag nilang mother and son. Diba?
Sige. Okay. We'll give you something from our lover and then.
Walks on fire.
I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight for you. You said you were leaving, someone's very hard away. From the look on your face, I see the truth. So tell me
suplado mo, lumilipad na, wala ka na.
Kaso yan,
Alabas na lang.
nandiyan yung edit ng June, nasa 30 lang. Pero soft copy lang. Extra sa akin sa naman talaga mo natin sa email. Para mas maliit. Ito yung kanina, nag-edit ka naman.
Ayan. Muna lang yung sinusahan ko.